One of my favorite things about the Shark HydroVac is the self-cleaning cycle. My least favorite part about having to clean is having to clean my cleaning tools. I never get around to it, and it's always the last thing on my checklist. So what's great about the Shark HydroVac is that I simply turn it on to the self-clean cycle, and it saves me so much time and so much effort. To start the cleaning cycle, empty the dirty water tank and refill the clean solution tank with clean water and a HydroVac concentrate. For the corded unit, ensure that the unit is plugged in, place it on the storage tray. And if you have a cordless unit, place the unit on the charging dock. Then you're going to press the power button to start the self-clean cycle. The self-clean icon on the user interface will pulse for the 2-minute cycle as it washes and spins the brush roll. The self-cleaning cycle will turn off once completed. Do not remove the unit until the cycle is done. Once the unit is complete, empty the dirty water tank, rinse and let it dry. Then place it back into the unit so it is ready for your next time you need to grab it. Remove the nozzle cover and brush roll to let it dry. Yep, it's that quick. For best results, run a HydroVac self-clean cycle after every use. And replace your brush roll every 6 months. Now let's talk cleaning tips. Common concern with wet-dry vacuums is streak marks on the floor. With the Shark HydroVac multi-surface cleaner, you don't have to worry about streaking again. This 3-in-1 vacuum, mop, and self-cleaning system makes it so convenient to avoid streaking. First, you're going to press a button on the top of the main body to release the clean solution tank. Remove the tank cap and fill the water slowly up to hit the first indicator. Water line perfectly. Add the Shark Vac multi-surface concentrate, filling to the second indicator line, the HydroVac concentrate line. Now make sure you don't overfill the concentrate, as this may lead to the streaking. Replace the tank cap and reinsert it into the unit. Press until it clicks into place and you're all set to clean your surface. Do not use other chemicals, soaps, or solutions, as you will experience streaking, foaming, or causing damage to your unit. Make sure you are running a self-clean cycle after every use. If you still experience streaking, it could be because of the buildup of soap or grease on the floor. You can avoid this by running a few more passes with the HydroVac. Thanks to the Shark HydroVac, I can easily tackle everyday messes on different surfaces with the confidence it will be clean and streak-free. If you're looking for more information on the Shark HydroVac, make sure you visit us at sharkclean.com.